Hi guys, welcome to Closer's Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Alright, today we'll be talking about integration by part. Now when we are talking about integration by part, what are you trying to do? We are trying to solve an equation up to the extent that we are able to reduce a particular function for us to integrate the other function. So we're reducing the other function will make us get a clear integral of the second function. So integration by part is always in this form: integral u dv. So you will have your u and the derivative of your v. That's what you'll be given, and it has the formula of uv minus integral v du. All right. So let's see an example. Let's say we have integral 2x sine 5x. Now if I want to solve this particular question, I can't solve it directly. I can only solve it using my integration by part formula. So what is the first thing you do? The first thing you know is that this is your u. So you say your u is what? 2x, and this is your what? Your dv. Your dv is what? Sine 5x. Now your du, what do you do to get your du? What you do is what? You differentiate your u. So du dx will give us, if you differentiate this, what we get? 2. So cross multiply, that means du is equal to what? 2 dx. All right. Now this is your v, this is your dv. So for you to get your v, you have to what? You have to integrate this. So if you integrate sine 5x, you will get what? Minus cos 5x over 5. Because if you integrate, this is what you are going to have. So this is my v and this is my du. So I can now apply it into the formula. That means the integral of 2x sine 5x is equal to uv. What's my u? 2x. What's my v? Minus cos 5x over 5. Then minus integral. What's my v again? Minus cos 5x over 5. Du, what's your du? Your du is what? 2. So 2 dx. Alright. Now from here, this multiplied by this will give me what? Minus 2x cos 5x all over 5. Minus times minus will give me plus. These 2, bring it outside. So that will be 2 over 5 integral cos 5x. Are you seeing what I'm saying now? You can see that we've been able to reduce this one to give me what? A singular integral now. So what the next thing to do is to finish my answer. So that one will be what? Minus 2x cos 5x that I had before over 5 plus now 2 over 5 multiplied by, if you integrate cos 5x, it will give you what? Sine 5x over 5. So that means your answer will now become what? 2 minus 2x cos 5x over 5 plus 2 sine 5x over 25. Then you can rearrange it to be what? 2 sine what? 5x over 25 minus 2x cos 5x over what? Over 5. So this will be your final answer. Then plus c. Don't forget plus c. So this will be your final answer for this integration by part. So if you can see that this one is a what? Is singular. So we only use our integration by part formula once. I guess what I'm saying now. But there are some questions whereby you have to use the what? Your integration twice. I get what I'm saying now. So let's see an example on the one that we have to integrate twice. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. All right. So let's say we have a question, integral x squared cos 2x. Now look at this question. From here now, you know that your u is what? X squared, and your dv is what? Cos 2x. Now differentiate your u. Your du dx will be what? 2x. So that means your du is equal to what? 2x dx. Alright. Now my dv is cos 2x. What will be my v? Integrate cos 2x. If you integrate cos 2x, what will you get? You will get sine 2x over 2. Alright. So now let's apply my formula, which is what? uv minus what? Integral v du. Now what's your u? Your u is what? X squared. Your v is what? Sine 2x all over what? All over 2 minus integral. What's your v? Sine 2x all over what? All over 2 multiplied by what's your u? Your du rather. Your du is what? 2x dx. And that's what? X squared sine 2x over 2 minus integral 2x sine 2x over 2 dx. So you can see I've been able to rearrange this. Now if you look at this, you will see that you can't still integrate anything directly from here. So because of that, I will have to what? Have to use integration by parts for this side again. I will have to use integration by parts for this side again. So I have x squared sine what? Sine 2x over 2 minus, now I want to work on this part now. Let me put it in brackets. Now what is your u? Your u is what? 2x. So u equals 2x. My dv equals what? Sine 2x over 2 dx. Alright. Now let's leave this because we are still going to continue with it. So let's work with this bracket alone. So your du will be what? 2 dx, because if you differentiate this, it will give you what? 2 then dx. Now your v here, your v will be what? If you integrate sine 2x over 2, it will give you what? Minus cos 2x over 4, because these two will come down, then multiply these two will give us 4. All right. So we have x squared sine 2x all over 2 minus, now our formula again, which is what? uv minus what? Integral v du. So that will be x squared sine 2x all over 2 minus, what's your u? 2x. What's your v? Minus cos 2x over 4. What is your dv? Your v rather. Your v is still what? Minus cos 2x over 4. And what is your du? Your du is what? 2 dx. Alright. So that will now be x squared sine 2x over 2 minus, open bracket, 2x times this will give us what? Minus 2x cos 2x over 4. So these two now can be brought out. Minus and minus will give us plus. So if you bring out 2, you have 2 here, then 4 also, you have 4 here. Integral cos 2x. Alright. So you can see that it's already becoming clearer. You can see I now have a singular cosine variable here. So that will now be x squared sine 2x over 2 minus, open bracket, 2x cos 2x over 4 plus This will give us 1 over what? 1 over 2 open bracket. If you integrate cos 2x will give you what? Sine 2x over 2. Alright, so we are getting closer to the answer. So after that, let's open the bracket. That will be, we have x squared sine 2x over 2 minus times minus will give us what? Plus what? 2x cos 2x over 4 minus times plus will give us what? Minus 2 times 2 will give us 4, so that's minus sine 2x over 4 plus c. So this will be our final answer. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. If you have any question on that, kindly drop it at the comment section. Thank you.